Bro, what is going on in CPM? Like, what are these bugs? But hey, I'm gonna just continue with the intro. How are y'all doing? What's good? Welcome back to another video with Legends. And yeah, I might have done something I might regret or I might not regret. I don't know. I'm gonna be helping you guys anyway, so I guess I won't regret it because I'm gonna be doing giveaways. But what I did was buy premium. That's right, I bought the CPM premium edition again so I could get the body kits along with the new cards for giveaways. So I feel like I'm gonna do all of that in live streams, and I'm gonna show you guys all the kits that you can get. I'm gonna let you guys choose what you want from the live streams, open up the rooms and stuff like that. So I might do that today, so you can stick around for that. But yeah, I spent money on the premium, and I'm gonna show you guys what we get. And here are all the boys in the public lobby that I'm in. They wanted to be in the video. And yeah, I think we need some new characters, developers. If you're seeing this, give us some better character models in the future. I think I would love to have that next. So yeah, with all the yapping out of the way, let's dive right into what we came here for. Here we are, back in the lobby. And as you can see, premium on the YouTuber logo. Got our YouTuber rank with the premium account. All the benefits that you get with that. So if I hop in here with the M2, you can see they have this premium body kit stuff going on. So I'm gonna be giving away, just to make the giveaway a bit more worth it. I'm gonna be adding the premium kits to a lot of the cars that I'm gonna give away, including the M2, the Ford, and what's it called again? The Toyota, the Fortuner. Even though I think the Fortuner doesn't have any premium kits. Let me check though. I don't remember if that vehicle had any. So here's the. This doesn't have any premium kits, so you don't have to worry about using the premium on that. These ones are just for coins, and I'd of course buy those coin kits for the giveaways too. And which other vehicle? Where is it? The Fortuner should be out here. Here it is. I don't think it has. Oh, so it does have premium. It has this wing, which I don't think I will ever use. Maybe if we slam it and turn it into a drift car, I don't know. I don't feel like otherwise I'd ever use that. Maybe this bar though. I don't think I'd ever use this. So I'm gonna keep that one and this light bar at the top. So nothing really special for the Fortuner aside from those when it comes down to the premium stuff. And I will of course do premium kits for the Z2. Can't leave this one out. It's not a hard card to get. It's just 2,500 coins. I think it still is, but it's just a premium kit that some people might want to get and they can't get it. So we'll be doing giveaways for this especially. Crazy. I'm gonna hook you guys up with the premium kits and all of that good stuff. Yeah. Except for the Z, I know most of you guys seen from my character that I got out with this goofy, this goofy hat. So these ones are premium too. So of course, remember that you get some of these clothes. Is it worth it? Nah, I don't think so. A lot of these are not worth it. They need to make better quality clothing. They need better characters now. I think the characters are kind of outdated. They need some cleaner models now to make all of this stuff worth it. Nobody's gonna buy the subscription just to get, a different color of the same other shirt. So for example, let's go down here. You're paying premium just for a different, like basically a different type of the other thing. So yeah, I don't know, man. I just bought it for the body kits mainly, and also the vinyl limit. So you get up to 450 vinyl limit. So that's cool. I'm not sure if that applies to the windows. Yeah, the windows are still stuck at 100, but the main body you still get 450 on that. So yeah, that's what I bought the premium for. I'm gonna use it for the giveaways, so stay tuned for that. I might do one for the next live stream, so be sure to stick around, turn your notifications on, because we're trying to get the live streams going again. We actually know. I know y'all see me staying consistent. I'll be uploading like crazy now. So yeah, I wanna include the live streams in that and get some more giveaways done for these cars. So if you're not in the beta, don't worry. I'm gonna still do more after the final release, so you can stick around for that one too. But for now, this is gonna be for people who are in the beta. So if you're in the beta, it might be your lucky day today or tomorrow. But yeah, with that said, I hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Stay safe.